CFE-5100X connected to Deye high voltage inverter. First, connect the battery in series using a power cable. The voltage of each battery is 51.2 volts. Power cable connects to inverter DC input. Connect the other end of the power cable to the battery terminals. The power cables have been fully installed, as shown. Next, install the communication cable. Insert the communication cable into the inverter's communication port and connect the other end to the inverter's BMS port. Connect the grounding cable to the battery pack. Set the battery dip switches according to the illustration. Adjust the dip switch of batteries according to the battery manual and inverter communication setting table. Press and hold the battery power button to turn on the system. Start the master battery first, then start the slave units.